Good morning, guys. So I'm getting ready to go to Walmart. Madison's over there on the bed sleeping. I don't know why my face looks so washed out. But it's now, I think it's almost 12 o'clock. So I'm gonna get this child in her car seat. Actually, I'm gonna change her diaper, get her in the car seat, and get going. So if you guys wanna come with me, come right ahead. I don't know why my face looks so washed out. But we're gonna find a foundation at Walmart that works for this face. Hi, I'm Madison. I have a cold and I'm just like so mad. I say hi. Alright, let's get you going. So let's get her in her car seat and get out of here. Multitasking. You guys all in my face. Tim, all ready to go. All ready to go. I just need to get her hat and then she's ready. So guys, I was racing to the bus stop. Because the way my car seat is set up and my stroller and my car, it would have been faster for me to walk Gio to the bus, to walk Jackson to the bus, because you guys don't know how much Gio, to walk Jackson to the bus stop than to drive him there. Isn't that bizarre? It would take me much more time to load them in the car, properly secure them, and get them to the bus stop, which is like right down there. So I was racing. But as I was walking, I saw the bus had stopped because technically he's not supposed to be there until 12:15 and he can't leave until after 12:15. So I was walking and I saw the bus coming and I was like panicking. But anyways, we got there. So now we're in the car. It's 12:20. I don't know why things have to take me so long. I don't know why I have to fight with myself and things. So now I'm going to go to Walmart. So I will see you guys. And as you know, I don't like to vlog in Walmart, but I might do something special for you guys just because I like you guys. So anyways, people are coming and I don't want to look like I'm crazy, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so I'm back from Walmart and I couldn't do what I had to do because I forgot my ID. So yeah, that's a bummer. I have someone down here. I'm eating Mike and Ike over there. And I'm hanging out with Miss Maddie here. Yes. She's so quiet right now. But she hasn't been feeling well. She woke up with a cough. A bit of a cough. And I don't know why my lighting is changing. But yeah, she woke up with a bit of a cough. And I've been breastfeeding her a lot so that my body knows how to produce, you know, the medicine that she needs to get over whatever it is that's bugging her. Because that's the amazing thing about breastfeeding is that when the baby is sick, your body knows how to produce the right amount of medicine for the baby immune system for them to get over whatever it is that they're battling. So, and it's not just pump and feed from a bottle. It's actually putting the baby onto the breast, and once they're attached to the breast, then the saliva from them seeps into your body, and then your body say, oh, okay, this baby's sick, and you know, and it's true. Research it. Excuse me. So yeah, right now I'm just sitting down waiting for the kids to get home. My husband's been home like a couple hours now. He's not feeling well either. He brought me lunch, and I was gonna go Christmas shopping for the kids, but I think I'm gonna wait and probably do it later. I'm so tired. I'm gonna do that later, and I'm gonna do a get to know me tag. I have to do that, and I also have to do the get to know me tag with my husband. So yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna ramble. This little Missy's starting to get fussy, so I'm gonna go give her the rest of her bottle. And what's the matter? I'm gonna go give her the rest of her bottle and get ready to get these kids inside. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, so I didn't get to properly end the vlog yesterday because I was too busy trying to find my ID. So I did find my ID. I traced back and realized that when I went to Target the other day, I opened my wallet and it fell out, and then I was like, that's it, my ID probably fell out there. So I called them, and of course, you know, they verified my information, and they're like, yep, we have it. So I rushed over there, pick it up. So I wasn't able to, you know, end the vlog properly. Good morning, sunshines. So today is not a busy day. Maddie is sleeping over there. I'm gonna show you guys Maddie. I just put her in the other, and I carried her with me to the bus stop. So here's little Maddie. She's sleeping. And let me wait to get in a decent light. So, bit of an update. Maddie has a cold, and she has a cold, and I kind of knew she was gonna get a cold because my older children have or had a cold, so she got that from them. But the good thing is she's being breastfed, so my body knows how to produce the medicine she needs. So what I do is I put a little bit of breast milk in her nose, like saline drop, and it helps for her to sneeze out all of the mucus and stuff, and I'm able to get it out of her nose without sticking any kind of, you know, irritant inside her nose, like a bulb syringe or aspirator or any of that stuff. So she's doing good. She's sleeping away. She's nice and warm. So yeah, I'm just trying to make her comfortable and, you know, breastfeeding her as often as I possibly can from the actual breast, and not putting the bottle in her mouth right now that she's sick. So she's waking up. Hold on. Say hi, guys. Hi. I don't feel so well today. Yes, I don't feel so well today. She's in one of these little sleep sack, and it's like so big on her. And then of course her hat is huge on her. So I'm getting ready to go watch some TV and get some lunch going for myself. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys probably later on. So guys, I literally didn't do anything today, and as always, you guys know we don't do anything. My husband is home. Roberto's home right there. Right there. The children are home from school. Yeah, so, and Madison is still sleeping. Maddie's still sleeping. We're not doing anything tomorrow because tomorrow is 23 degrees. It's going to be cold tomorrow. So, I don't even think I'm going to send Jackson to school.
No.
Where's the bathroom smell?
Kitty litter.
Listen, you didn't do the kitty litter?
Yeah, he did. He did it this morning. The cat pooped multiple times per day. So,
and by the time we get into Thursday,
Where's snow?
we're talking about single-digit wind chills as well. The worst of the wind will be Thursday, but it will still be noticeable as we get
Juju, get down.
Friday as well.
I'm still doing laundry.
Combination of snow and ice.
Still doing laundry. My husband took.
We wrap it up with Fox 5 AccuWeather.
Why is Maddie hat on the floor right there? Someone pick it up for me, please. She has a cold. She's so stinking cute. So cute.
Sunday, 58 degrees. So really a big bounce up. A big strong push of warm air coming with our next system on Saturday. Monday's cool again at 36.
Yep, Miss Madman. This is all she does, is sleep.
That's your 7-day forecast.
And sleep, and sleep, and sleep.
Some breaking news. This is the start of the newscast with
What are you close to? Hi, sweetheart. What are you eating? Peanut butter? Oh, wow. Juju's over there chilling.
He was arrested last Thursday and you were this morning.
My husband's watching the news. Fireplace going. Christmas tree. My boys are over there doing chores.
No. Don't tell me what I'm doing.
High school seniors smoked half a pack of cigarettes or more a day, but less than 2% of seniors say they smoked that much today. Researchers are not sure what led to the decline, but they suspect that social media has kept teens preoccupied.
It's good for something.
One of the good benefits of social media.
You can't hold a cigarette with a cell phone.
Right, you're too busy typing.
They had a big disappointment for tourists in Paris.
Secret Santa buys over $13,000 worth of toys. Your Fox 5 applies next.
I don't always do that.
Y'all's party. We'll taste it too.
Hey, honey, you remember to be with Fred?
The My Buick Gallery. Now available in every view.
Go watch you.
Close to the apartment windows, too.
Go watch you. Go watch you. Go sit down. Sit.
Good boy. Switch to Buick and get this low mileage lease on this 2016.
He's still watching you.
Or get 5,000 purchase bonus cash on select 2016.
So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys in today's vlog. So, bye.